Hi folks, it's now time to take a look at Azure AI Agent Service and the reason why you enrolled to the course. So let's take a look. So Azure AI Agent Service is a fully managed service. Now, I think by now you guys understand that when we say it's a managed service, it means that you don't have to worry about the infrastructure, the scalability, and the security side of the things. Because your cloud vendor or the vendor who is providing you the service will take care of all these artifacts. So this is a service which is purely designed to empower the developers to securely. So basically you are building, but in a very secure manner because you're under the umbrella of Azure ecosystem, right? So you're securely building, deploying, and scaling high quality extensible AI agents. So it's a service which is purely focused around Azure AI agents. So it says, when we talk about the key characteristics, it provides a managed intelligent agent platform which provides a fully managed service that simplifies building and deploying AI powered agents. Now, there was a lot of talk about AI agents and how difficult it is because sometimes you needed a stateful context, right? Because that's the thing with when you're kind of interacting with LLMs, you need the LLMs to be context aware or your programs to be context aware. That is where this really comes handy because it provides a simplified way to build an intelligent agent for you. As I said earlier, it is integrated with the Azure ecosystem, right? That's the beauty of these agents because all the various, say, Azure services, you can seamlessly integrate with Azure Cognitive Services, which is also known as the Azure AI Search, right? You can go with Azure OpenAI Service. You can go with machine learning and to enrich the agent capabilities. You can even go and integrate with Azure Logic Apps, which provides the connectors for 1400 plus actions, which could include your Microsoft Teams, Excel, Dynamics 365. So all this is available, right? So, and you are also getting the scalability and security, as I said. So it is built on Azure's robust cloud infrastructure, which ensures enterprise-grade scalability, security, and compliance. So just look at its features. You have got bring your own storage, right? The enterprises can bring their own storage to enable the agent to securely retrieve enterprise data. You can even go at the level of bringing your own virtual network, which is designed for the agent applications with data privacy and compliance in mind. And it talks about limitless scale, where we can take advantage of limitless performance and scaling when running Azure AI Agent Service on your provision deployments, right? So just think about it. You're getting everything in terms of the scalability and security. And the other good thing about the Azure AI Agent Service is it's multimodal, right? We say multimodal. What does multimodal mean? Multimodal means that you are able to interact not only with text but with other forms, like it could be a voice, it could be a video, it could be an image, which helps you to create versatile conversational AI experiences. So till now we've always been talking about like in natural language processing, you just give a prompt in text and you get the response. But now they're saying it's multimodality. You can work much more than text as well. And the other thing is multi-vendor support. And this is really amazing thing. So what Microsoft has done is, as you know, that there's a close collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI. So previously only say GPT models or OpenAI models were available. But now what they've said is that you will have the capability, or the customer will have the capability to create agents that can use not only Azure OpenAI models, but others. So they have gone with their partners like Meta, which provides LLaMA 3. Then you have Mistral and you have Cohere, right? So these are available for you, and you will see in the coming weeks, months, more vendor supports would be added here. So you will be able to use the models from other vendors to create your AI agents. So with this lecture, I just wanted to give you a very quick glimpse of what is Azure AI Agent Service. Thanks for watching.